On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2017 Forest River Sabre 365MB. This roomy fifth wheel trailer with 4 slides has ample space for stress-free living as you and your family pack up and hit the road. As you head into the rear combined kitchen and living space, you'll find room for a dining table and a comfortable lounge seat in a slide to the left of the door. Adjacent along the rear wall is a large sofa sleeper, perfect for relaxing, with a fireplace and room for a TV on the opposing slide. This slide also features a large pantry for food storage and the kitchen appliances. A center island provides added counter space, plus a double sink for easy cleanups. There is also more storage along the interior wall with cabinets, plus so much more. The mid-bunkhouse suite has 2 bunk beds, plus a dresser and a wardrobe for clothing storage. Up the steps on the left you will find the bath where you will enjoy a walk-in shower with a large dome for plenty of headroom. There is also a linen cabinet, a toilet, and countertop sink with more storage underneath. At the head of the hall is the entrance to the front master bedroom. It's a great space to rest and have plenty of room with nightstands on either side of the queen-size bed. Across the front you will find sliding mirror doors housing a wardrobe that has been prepped for a washer/dryer, and a dresser at the foot of the bed for added storage space. This Forest River Sabre will make it easy for you and your family to go out and make a lifetime of wonderful memories. We have hundreds of pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.